eternal hunger, eternal suffering, eternal wandering in the woods. I'm always hungry, and I have to kill innocent people. I really regret that I chose to be a Wendigo. Being a beast is terribly painful and difficult, but meanwhile, my fangs and claws easily pierce human skulls, tear and cut everything, even hard to dissolve metal. Run or die, the choice is yours. You have a couple of minutes. The time has gone.